Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming administrator access. This is required to change restore settings. Once done, open Start and type, create a restore point to jump straight to system properties. Make sure to select the system drive, usually C, so you configure protection for Windows. Click Configure to view protection options and disk usage. This first step readies the system and shows why you need the drive selected. Restore points are tied to specific volumes, so choose the correct one now. Now enable protection by choosing Turn on System Protection. This creates a restore point history. Next, set max usage with the slider. I recommend around 5 to 10% so you keep several restore points without filling the drive. Once configured, click Apply then OK, and immediately press Create to make a manual restore point. Name it so you recognize it. This manual point confirms the feature works. It also explains why disk quota matters. Too low and Windows purges. Finish by testing System Restore. Open System Properties System Restore, choose your manual point, and follow the prompts to confirm it works. If the restore point isn't listed, make sure protection is on and increase max usage to at least 1%. Then create another manual point. If restore fails during execution, disable third-party antivirus temporarily and ensure Windows Update isn't installing. These can lock system files. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most blocked restore attempts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.